In this video, we review Capital One's checking account. Have you used Capital One's checking account before? What was your experience? Leave your Capital One checking account review in the comments section below. Capital One, a prominent financial institution, offers a range of checking accounts designed to cater to diverse customer needs. Their 360 checking account, in particular, has garnered attention for its user-friendly features and competitive terms. One of the key advantages of the 360 checking account is the lack of monthly maintenance fees, a feature that appeals to many customers seeking cost-effective banking solutions. Additionally, the account offers access to over 39,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide, providing convenient access to funds without incurring additional charges. The online and mobile banking platforms are highly rated, enabling users to manage their accounts efficiently, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely. The account also supports early direct deposit, allowing customers to access their funds sooner than with traditional banking methods. Despite its advantages, the 360 checking account has some limitations. Capital One operates a limited number of physical branches, which may be inconvenient for customers who prefer in-person banking services. While the account offers fee-free ATMs, using out-of-network ATMs can result in fees, which may be a drawback for those who frequently need cash. Some users have reported challenges with customer service, including long wait times and varying experiences with support quality. Capital One's 360 checking account is FDIC insured, providing a level of security for deposited funds. The account does not require a minimum deposit to open, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. However, the lack of physical branches may be a significant factor for individuals who value face-to-face interactions with banking representatives. Additionally, while the online and mobile platforms are robust, some users have noted that certain features could be more intuitive. In summary, Capital One's 360 checking account offers a compelling option for those seeking a fee-free, online-centric banking experience with extensive ATM access. However, potential customers should weigh the benefits against the limitations, such as the limited physical branch presence and occasional customer service challenges, to determine if it aligns with their banking preferences and needs.